This episode is on the testing of different diffuser systems I have made for my Godox MF12 flash system. Welcome to my channel. In last couple of weeks, I have been uploading several videos on the performance of Godox MF12 flash system, its pros and cons, and different techniques of making diffuser systems for Godox MF12 flash systems. I'll be giving the links of my previous videos on Godox MF12 series down below in the description. But today, I'll be testing the performance of different systems I have made for this flash on my desktop studio, as well as for outdoor macro photography. For testing these diffuser systems, I'll be using a fixed subject, not any insect. I will be using one of my watch because it has got very shiny surface and some flowers, and I've made a stage for this purpose. I'll show you the stage right now. If you like my videos and my techniques of macro photography on tabletop studio and as well as outdoor, please subscribe my channel. Keep watching, share it, like it. This is the stage I have made for this photo shoot today. I have my watch, a very shiny surface, and I put some flowers around it to make it more attractive, like a product photography. There is a black color backdrop behind it. I've got 3 units of Godox MF12. This system supplied with a diffuser for this flash, but I found this diffuser is not good enough for product photography or macro photography. So what I have done, I've made a small white plastic sheet to fit inside this diffuser, and then again I snap it like this. So this Godox diffuser added with a white color plastic to make it more diffused. So this is my easiest, simplest way of doing it. I have made another diffuser. You see, this one is very simple. This is again a bigger size plastic sheet. Very simple, only a plastic sheet and a piece of Velcro with it. What I do, I fix this, holding it like this, and wrap the Velcro around it. So this is now in place. So this is my second system of making a diffuser for Godox MF12. This is the third one. I have made a micro radiant diffuser for my Godox MF12. In my last video, I have shown how to make this micro radiant diffuser. I have given the link in the description below. So this is also very simple. I'll have to put the reflector part on the Godox MF12, fix the reflector part like this, so the reflector part is on. And now I'll put this diffuser part I'll push it inside it, and with this Velcro I'll fix it like this. So this is fixed. So these are all three different systems. This is the first one with the Godox diffuser and a extra plastic sheet inside it. This is nothing but only a plastic sheet wrapping in front of the Godox MF12 with the Velcro, and this one is my micro radiant diffuser. Now I start taking pictures of this watch on my stage. I'll show you the performance of all these three units while I'm shooting this watch. Let me explain my camera system. My camera is Sony A7R III, and I have got the Lava 90mm 2x macro lens and a trigger for the Godox flash. Let me start shooting. Let me start with the first one with diffuser supplied with Godox MF12. I'll put flash close to the subject. Let me tell you the setup of my camera. On the lens, I'm using f8 in the shutter speed 1/60 and ISO 200, and my flash setting as 1/4. So let me take several pictures with only diffuser supplied by the Godox. Let me take some pictures. Now I will hold this flash in different positions. Let me check in the back. Some are good, some are bad. So I'll have to find the best one. Now let me try this one with only plastic sheet in front of the Godox MF12 unit. Okay, let me start with this second one. Let me take some pictures. Now what I'll do, I'll hold it like this and take several pictures in different directions of the flash. Let me check. Oh, there are some good, some bad. Finally, I'll be using the micro radiant diffuser on Godox MF12, and let me see the difference between this one and the previous two. So I fix that in front of the subject, my watch, and take some pictures by fine-tuning the focus. And also taking some pictures in different directions. And from the top. That's for today. Let me check the pictures. is much better, smooth, buttery pictures with the micro radiant diffuser. So I've done the photo shoot. I'll transfer the pictures in my computer and find out the best from all these three different diffuser systems. If you have any question or if you have anything to ask about macro photography, please put in the comment box. I'll try my best to answer it. And if you want to do some product photography on Tabletop Studio, I'll be uploading a few videos very soon on product photography with Godox MF12 and other flash system on my Tabletop Studio. Please subscribe my channel. Stay connected. In my videos of Godox MF12 series, next I'll be uploading a video on how I use Godox MF12 in my light box, and I'll show you live and photography within the light box with Godox MF12. If you are interested to watch the photography inside light box, a macro photography of live ants, please subscribe my channel. Stay connected. See you in next video. Bye bye.